Meet Mochi. He lives in Pompano Beach, Florida. One day, when his parents were watching a video of Zulu, he did something he never does. He started watching too. He seemed mesmerized. The really cool thing is that watching our channel had helped lead to Mochi's parents' decision to get him. And here he was, fascinated with our video introducing Zulu to the channel.
Mochi, who's that?
Soon, Mochi and Zulu met. But that's a story for another video. Stay tuned for part 2.
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Come on, Fran. Come on, go, go, go!
Found a friend named Belle.
Yeah. We found a friend. Oh, go, 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 go. Go. Oh, that's awesome. Nice run. Nice run. Nice run. Wow. Go, go, go. Oh, Graham, you in the nicking.
He's a Basenji.
Yeah, he does. People say he does. People think he's a Shiba Inu.
Oh, okay.
He's a Basenji. Whoa!
Is that the dog that doesn't have much of a bark?
Yeah, not much of a bark at all. Oh,
Is
wow,
this
that's
big
cool. They got a little thing that goes. Oh, that's cool. Go, go!
Yeah, he does have a fox-like quality. I live in Atlanta and I have woods behind me, and every once in a while I'll get to see the foxes. Really handsome. Be careful of it.
Did you drive home?
Yeah.
Okay.
You did.
Hoping I can get her to burn off some energy.
You'll be
so she's
okay.
good
You're
tonight.
good.
Yeah, there you go.
She's still very much a puppy.